Before we get started with this tutorial of how to get an LLC set up with Bizee, I want to make mention that there are affiliate links in the description below and that I am compensated when you use those links, but it is still the lowest cost price to you, which starts at actually $0 plus state fee. We're going to move quickly, but what you're going to see is alerts that are going to pop on screen that look like this, and they're going to have a number, and that number is going to be in the description below. This will help us move forward a little bit faster. When you're looking at these different packages, standard is the most popular, and that is because you get the EIN business tax number and the operating agreement. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to click on basic and get started. Now, the first thing you need to know is the LLC name. It needs to be something that is unique in the state that you are forming. Do know that you can actually do a state database search. Now, the designator, we're going to go with LLC here. This is the most common. When you're getting into LTD, that has to do with you're going to have business owners that have shares in the business. That's why LLC is the most common. So we're going to click next here, and then you can decide if you want to do a 1 business day or 3-week filing time. I have tested the top 7 services. They always turn this around quicker than 3 weeks, but if you are in a hurry, you can do the 1 business day filing time. We're going to click next here, and then now we're looking at company address information, professional business address, and virtual mail service. This is $29 a month. If you don't want that and you want to use your own address, you can go that route. But do know when you use your own address for your LLC, that gets published to a state database that is publicly searchable. So we're going to move forward after we enter our company address in here. So these are upgrades. The EIN we discussed, it's like a social security number for your business, operating agreement, super helpful. It can get costly later in business if you have a partner. I definitely recommend you have the operating agreement, and some states do require you to have an operating agreement when you get set up. And then you also have banking resolution and their 25 plus contract library. Completely up to you. In this case, I'm just going to say no thanks. At this point, you select how many members are going to be here. We're going to say this is a solopreneur and it is an individual. This could be a company that's a member in this LLC that's buying it, but this is an individual in this case. So you can just click your name and your address to easily populate this, and then we'll go to next. Now, registered agent, you can act as your own registered agent, but basically what that does is they provide this for you for free for the first year. As of making this video, it's $119 a year after that, just to know what the expenses are. This person is a third party that's going to handle important communication, and specifically in the case where you're to be sued. Somebody gets hurt at your business, they're going to make sure you get that service of process notice and that you are showing up to court and dotting your I's and crossing your T's. So you can use their service for free for the first year. And then right here, you can see the guaranteed rates of $119 a year going forward. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to say I would like to act as my own, and then I'm going to put this information in. So we're going to have Bizee assign the registered agent. It can't have a PO box address. It has to be in the state where the LLC is being formed. So then we go to the next here. It says, please provide EIN tax ID information. So no, I don't need Bizee to obtain my EIN. Yes, I would like them to obtain it. I'm going to give you more information on when you may need an EIN and for what purposes, but most people will need that. So then once you click here, let's say we want to have them set that up for us. All right, so we're going to click next here. And this is where currently they have a business banking bonus offer, right? If you go with Bank of America, you can earn bonuses of $100 to $500. This is really up to you if you want to apply right now or if you want to not do this at this time. One thing I will say is when you're getting your business set up, the things that you should be spending a lot of time on are how to get customers, sales, leads, money into your business so it can grow. So a lot of times using a big bank like that is actually helpful because you can just get up and running. All right, electronic delivery or FedEx Express. I personally would go electronic delivery, but if you do want the documents sent to you, you can do that as well. They also offer a tax strategy and free consultation. If you want to sign up for that, I'd highly recommend it because I do see a lot of business owners that misclassify things or there's something that they miss when they're setting up their business. So it's a great thing that you can do for yourself. Now, I know all these services, there are a lot of upsells, but this one's really important. Business licenses and permits. In certain situations, like let's say like you were opening up a bar, right? You have to have certain business licenses and permits to serve alcohol, right? So Bizee will go through a process with you for $99 and highlight and let you know exactly which things you need for your business model. So then at the end here, here's where you can see it's the $50 state fee, and then it's free all the way through. Now, I did say no to the upsells, but it is up to you in your situation. Get that EIN, get that operating agreement set up from day one. So once we click next here, you're going to enter your credit card information and then process the order. And once you click complete and pay, that is when your LLC order is going to begin. And quickly, I do want to make mention again about that affiliate link in the description below. Every person who purchases an LLC through my affiliate link, we donate $20 to a charity called Crisis Services. We've been able to raise over $45,000 because of people like you, and I can't thank you enough. Now, what we have here, this is a video we did comparing the top 7 LLC services. We actually bought LLCs and compared them and then gave them a grade. And then this one beneath it, that is going to be a tutorial of Bizee, which is actually going to take you through the backend dashboard as well. I'm going to show you how the backend dashboard looks and how you can manage your LLC with Bizee. All right, we'll catch you in the next video.